You can see we've got all the way up to 13 tanks. Currently we're running it CMYK, red, green, violet, and orange. Our print carriage is actually heating to kind of change the viscosity of those inks to allow it to perform at a super high speed. This is capable of taking a 660 foot roll in length. So twice the roll, the speed, you're looking at twice the speed of the Hydra. So upwards of 600 square feet an hour. Obviously the colors speak for themselves. The drive system being magnetic, how smooth it is, and the speeds we're able to achieve on it. There's really not a better battleship in the whole fleet.
Sean, this is not like any other DTF machine here at American Print Supply. This is the newest, latest, greatest, biggest technology you guys have. What are we looking at?
This is our new 8-head Kraken. So the Kraken is basically a step up from even the Hydra. The Hydra we've looked at, that's our 9-color, very fast machine. This machine is actually a step above that. Same heating situation on the ink stack, so our print carriage is actually heating to kind of change the viscosity of those inks to allow it to perform at a super high speed. So again, when we're talking about a super high speed printer, we actually have to match it with this super capable duster. So this is our turnkey system, the Kraken. You can see we've got all the way up to 13 tanks. Currently we're running it CMYK, red, green, violet, and orange. We also have 4 extra tanks. If we had those people that were going, I need flesh tones or I need fluorescence, we can add those. So again, a situation where knowing your customer and your customer base is what kind of helps us dictate and set up the system to best suit your needs. Has a lot of the same fail-safes we were talking about. You've got crash sensors on both sides of the head. You've got the heated print carriage to really allow the viscosity to move around. Circulation pumps. Just like on our Hydra, it's got 2 heads devoted to white, 2 CMYK. Actually, this one we've set up so we can run a whole lot faster. We got 4 CMYK, 2 RGBO, and 2 white. So, big paintbrush. This thing also has a magnetic drive system. So if you're used to looking at some of the older other drive systems,
clean.
It's smooth. You put a glass of wine on here, it's not spilling. Any of these other machines, you'll see them move just a little bit, but this is a magnetic drive system. So rather than what we're used to seeing, the belt driven, where it's going back and forth, getting to the end of the belt and then coming back, all herky-jerky, this is a very smooth feed system. Same pendulum system you see on the Hydra. This is capable of taking a 660 foot roll in length. So twice the roll, the speeds, you're looking at twice the speed of the Hydra. So upwards of 600 square feet an hour. And again, a matched dryer to enable us to cure at those speeds. Same thing, got a sensor down in the front. As the paper feeds down to it, it automatically kicks on the dryer, feeding it through the tunnel. Uptake reel on the back. You can run this thing 2-3 rolls easy a day, and you're printing, I mean, we're talking thousands and thousands of square feet off of this machine without any issue.
Wow. So obviously more heads makes it faster. It has the expanded color gamut. It also can take a larger roll of film than the Hydra, for example, correct? Yep. And just not, I mean, loading film takes time. It's like when somebody's thinking about the sew time for a job. Did we talk about changing all the thread colors? Because the customer gave us 6 colors we don't have on the machine already. It takes time. So it's an advantage, but 600 feet an hour comfortably, right? Because we've heard some pretty larger numbers, but then the machine is down every 10 minutes when we see it.
Yeah, proof's in the pudding, right? I mean, we stand in front of these machines, we stand behind these machines. The reason I stand in front of them is we run them here and I know I can stand behind them. So these are true numbers. I mean, you'll see people talking about 2,000 square feet an hour. Okay, well, prove it. I'm gonna sit here and run 600 square feet an hour, no problem. Extended gamut, beautiful color, perfect transfers coming off the end of the dryer. When it starts barking at me, it has the alarms, just like all of our systems, telling me I'm out of ink. So if I get low on ink, it's actually got an agitation system in the back. Open a back door on the printer and it's actually rolling or agitating 4 liters of ink. So when it comes time to throw some white ink in there, you've got a bottle sitting there ready to go agitated.
Now, I know you guys just had an open house where you unveiled the Kraken.
Release the Kraken.
Release the Kraken. When it comes to the Kraken, What's the perception been like? I mean, again, you're talking about some pretty unique numbers there. We hear numbers, but seeing them and performance, and you don't have to tell me much to just watch this thing and how clean and smooth. I mean, it just, I remember being told, hey, wait till you see this thing and the way it looks. It just, yeah, what's the perception been like in the limited amount of time it's been out?
The open house went great. People are very, very excited of them. We got a few of them going out in the field in the next month or so. Obviously, the colors speak for themselves. The drive system being magnetic, how smooth it is, and the speeds we're able to achieve on it. There's really not a better battleship in the whole fleet.
And I like that there's something different about, like, we first were at the Gladiator, and I kind of see that as what, Gen 2-ish?
Yeah,
Gen 1, 2, Gen 2? Hydra, Gen 3?
Yeah.
Gen 3?
This
Gen
would
4?
be Gen 4, yeah. This is the new hot thing.
And
This
you
is
can
where
see,
we're
though,
headed.
the technology and the enhancements in technology.
Well, and we've had a hand in that. I mean, you take your licks in the beginning and you learn.
Oh, yeah.
So we found out what goes well, what doesn't, and we've always had that feedback to give to the manufacturer. A lot of these things we asked for. Because of the heated dampers on the Hydra, we want the same type of situation on the Kraken because we've only got 2 more heads.
Yep.
You know, and heads are very expensive and very important to keep clean. So you hit on it a little bit, talking about the cleanliness. When we go out and we do the white glove installation and training, we teach you the simple preventative maintenance because a happy printer is a clean printer. And we want to keep the happy, right? I mean, 8 times, just call it, if you got them at a crazy deal, 8 times $1,000, that's $8 grand in print heads. We don't want to see a head strike cause an issue there.
You don't make much money off of selling a head. You make your money off of selling the ink, the film, and the powder.
Absolutely.
And the goal is to keep this thing up and running, pumping out thousands of feet, hopefully, a day.
Absolutely. So to really answer your question, the reception is huge. Everybody wants it. It's not for everybody, because not everybody can go to bed at night after spending the money it takes to get one of these systems. But they can always grow right. Start out with another system, build their book of business, get to the point where they go, I need a Kraken, and guess what? I'm ready for it.
Well, I look at it like screen printing. When we go to a show, you're going to see the manual, you're going to see a small auto, then you're going to see that giant auto and so forth. There's a machine for everybody, depends on your demand, your market, and what you're trying to do. And I'll tell you what, guys, if you really want to sell transfers, this machine, because it's going to pump them out and it's going to get you great quality prints, great color gamut. Sean, where can our viewers go to learn more about the Kraken and the whole lineup of American Print Supply equipment?
AmericanPrintandSupply.com. Give us a call here at the office with any questions, concerns, or otherwise. It's 309-328-8767. Look forward to hearing from you.
All right, guys, check out AmericanPrintSupply.com.